While walking through the woods, my senses are drawn to the roaring waters flowing in the meandering creeks. It feels like spring, with a swollen river, ripe with fresh flowing waters, and all the springs gushing as they journey through the forest. For a moment, I forget I am breathing. My breath becomes the rapids, my heartbeat too. Time stands still, and this moment is all there is. I forget about anywhere else I might need to be or things yet to do. Instead, I'm captivated by the crystal clear Faerieland I have found myself within. I imagine I am a fairy, enjoying the whirlpools and mossy rocks. Everything looks brighter and more beautiful when wet. The gentle rain adds a touch of magic, bringing everything to life. I like to imagine the secret passageway as a fairy glen, where tea parties, picnics, wading pools, and dancing celebrations ensue without anybody knowing anything about it. I smile and chuckle at the sheer thought. I know about it. It tickles and ignites my joy bubbles and spirit bumps. Spirit bumps are goosebumps, but confirmation of spirit working magic. The forest not only inspires my imagination, it also confirms it. There is much enchantment outside in the natural world, where elementals and nature spirits enjoy their very existence and play the day away. I never would have known had I never imagined.